In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Cursor for code reviews. First, open your project or the specific files you want to review in Cursor. Next, highlight a block of code or open the AI chat and ask something like, "Review this code," or suggest improvements for readability and performance. Cursor will analyze your code and give feedback on things like structure, naming, potential bugs, and optimization opportunities. You can also ask more specific questions like, "Is this secure?" or "Does this follow best practices?" to get deeper insights. For larger reviews, use codebase and ask, "Codebase, review this project," to get feedback across multiple files. Cursor may suggest improvements or even provide rewritten code. Review the suggestions carefully, then click Apply if you want to accept the changes. This makes it much faster to catch issues and improve code quality without manual review. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.